Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma to design for AI. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for creating user interfaces and experiences, especially when working with artificial intelligence. It allows teams to collaborate seamlessly, visualizing complex AI interactions and user flows. You can design intuitive interfaces that clearly communicate the capabilities of your machine learning models, ensuring a smooth and engaging experience for your users. This foundational step is crucial for any successful AI product. Prototyping is a cornerstone of effective AI design in Figma. You can build interactive prototypes that simulate how your AI will respond to user input, allowing you to test and refine the experience early on. This includes designing dynamic components that can adapt based on AI outputs, such as personalized recommendations or conversational agent responses. Testing these interactions with real users provides invaluable feedback, helping you iterate and improve the design before any code is written, saving significant time and resources. Figma's extensive plugin ecosystem offers powerful enhancements for AI design. You can discover plugins that help visualize data, generate content, or even integrate with external AI services. Many tools allow you to bring in data visualizations directly from your AI models, making it easier to design around real-world information. Furthermore, the Figma community provides a wealth of AI-specific design assets and templates, offering a head start on your projects and fostering innovation within the design process. Collaboration is key when designing for AI, and Figma excels in this area. You can easily share your design files with developers, data scientists, and other stakeholders, ensuring everyone is aligned on the vision. Gathering feedback is streamlined, allowing for quick iterations and improvements to your AI interface designs. This collaborative environment helps maintain a consistent design language across all AI features, leading to a cohesive and user-friendly product. Figma truly bridges the gap between design and development teams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.